Well, we've seen some sunshine out there as we've begun the day, and we continue to see that heading into the afternoon hours. We're going to call it partly cloudy overall, even though there have been times with hardly a cloud in the sky. In fact, that's what the airport is showing right now. 27 degrees, winds out of the west at 3 miles an hour. That's surprising. Should be a little bit of a northerly tilt to them, but they're out of the west right now. Barometer 32 hundredths of an inch, and the dew point coming in at 18 degrees. Here's all that sunshine that we're seeing. It's sunny in Butler, 29, sunny in Franklin at 28, 32 in Latrobe and Washington coming in at 31. Also, the Morgantown area looking at temperatures of 29 degrees overall. Partly cloudy skies today, 34 degrees your expected high. Winds out of the north at 3 to 7 miles an hour. That's why we said having a little bit of a northerly tilt to it. Just not seeing that yet. They started off out of the northeast this morning. Here's how I think your day is going to break down. You can see those temperatures. We're pretty much in line with this. About 33 at 4, 32 at 6, and 8 o'clock temperature coming in at 27, 24 also at 10 o'clock. Now, obviously with the clear skies, yeah, there's no rain out there on the radar, and we're not seeing anything there. We actually have high pressure. That's the dominant feature right now. We're watching a couple of things. Little area of low pressure right around the Albuquerque area, and then a cold front that stretches over parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota as well. Cold front's going to be the first thing that impacts us. That will be as we fade things off here and go over to model data. That's going to bring us a chance as we're heading into Wednesday night. Notice, or should say Wednesday morning, you can see the little bit of snow right there. Now, this morning when I was looking at data, the raw numbers coming in looked like about 1 to 2 inches of snow is what I was seeing. I can't tell you that at least data coming in when it's showing, when it kind of surpasses those and the models themselves show how much snow we're looking at, they have only shown about a half an inch or less. So we're going to watch closely for that. I wouldn't be surprised, though, if we get about an inch or so out of that. Secondary system comes in, coming out of the Rockies. There it is right there. This arrives Thursday into Friday and will bring us another chance for some decent snow. We're looking at this point, a couple of inches that will be possible. Number 3, a third round of snow also will be possible as we're heading into the weekend. So here's what, once again, this is what model data is showing when it comes to projected snowfall on Wednesday. Just not a lot at all. Numbers, I think some of that is because it's showing a little bit of what's coming down as some rain. Maybe that happens. We're going to be right on the line. So we'll say, hey, expect maybe an inch or so of snow being possible, maybe a brief round of rain as well. So storm 1, 3 storms we'll have possible through next Sunday. Storm 1 Wednesday morning, storm 2 possible Thursday into Friday morning. Notice I say possible because there's still plenty of time for things to change the storm track. And then storm 3, that's the one I think a lot of folks are talking about on social media, potentially impacting us Saturday into Sunday. It's still too early to know exactly if it's going to impact us, but we're watching it. This season, we've seen 10 inches of snow now, including 3 inches over the weekend. You can see our snow chances right there. We'll keep it dry today. We'll keep it dry on Tuesday. Snow chances back starting on Wednesday, and each day after that, we could have some accumulation when it comes to snow. There's your 7-day outlook. 34 today, 32 your Tuesday high, and 34 on Wednesday. We'll keep those snow chances in there as we're heading into the weekend. 39, though, your Thursday high. Before the snow gets there, snow late Thursday into Friday morning. Here's what it looks like right now. Obviously, we're still a couple of days out. Things can change. Timing can change, or the amount of snow.
It's Monday afternoon. We got a little bit of time before Thursday.
Yep. We're watching it.
All right. Thanks, Ron.
All right.